Loosen the nut with pliers. Pull the cable out. Remove the cable cap. After removing it, loosen the shifter. Pull the shifter cable outward. Push the inner cable out. Remove the entire cable. Use an M3 wrench. Loosen the screw under the throttle. Then pull the throttle out. Disconnect the shifter cable. When the cable is long enough, pull the throttle out. Use an M5 wrench to loosen the screw under the brake lever. Pull the brake lever off. Remove the brake lever. Use a Phillips screwdriver. Loosen the screw under the shifter. Install the new shifter you received. Put it back in place. Reinstall the throttle. Push the throttle all the way in. Make sure the throttle, brake lever, and shifter are in the correct order. Then tighten them in order. Tighten the throttle first. Use the M3 wrench. Then move the brake lever close to the grip. Push it downward. Tighten the screw below. Place the shifter above the brake lever. Tighten the screw. Use a Phillips screwdriver. Shift the shifter to gear 7. Insert the new inner cable. Feed it through this side hole. Make sure the shifter is set to 7. Guide the cable into this hole. Thread the cable through here. Pull it out from here. Feed the entire cable in. Pass the cable head through this opening. Feed the whole cable in. Insert the cable head. Pass the exposed cable back through this hole. Thread the inner cable through here again. Finally, seat the cable head into the slot under the nut. Tighten the nut. The shifter replacement is complete.